morning, children. Yes, okay, we already learned that area, isn't it? Area of the shapes and area of the figures. Yesterday I gave you one homework, isn't it? That is page number 39, that you want to know, you want to find out the area of these figures, isn't it? And look here, then when you are finding the area of this figure, you have to take, did you do this one, children? Yes, okay. Then if you didn't do, then you listen here, children. Here in this figure, you can see so many completed squares here, isn't it? In this area, you can find out so many completed squares and more than half of the square and half square also you can find it here. From that you can find it which part is completed square. That completed square, that you have to make it to find out the area. So listen here, children. From here onwards, look here. From here onwards up to here, that is a rectangle. If you draw a rectangle here, because that is the completed squares. This is the completed square, but here you can see more than half of the square and half of the square likewise. So completed square, forget it, the completed square, you will make an rectangle here. So look here, what is the length and breadth of that rectangle, children? Look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is the breadth, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can 10, that is the length 10 and 6 breadth. Likewise that you can make one rectangle. From this rectangle you can find the area of this much area. Find the area of this figure, that is 10 into 60. Length into breadth, isn't it? So here breadth is 6 and here 10. Then you will get it here 60 square centimeter. And find out other. Yes, and here also you can make it another rectangle also. You can make it here. That is 1 2 3. Breadth is 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 length. 7 into 3. Then this one is the 21. Here 60 square centimeter and here 21. And next one you can count it. How many completed squares? You can get it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 8 and 9 10 11. Likewise you can count it how many completed square remaining completed square, and how many half of the square, and how many more than half of the square. That more than half of square, that you can take it as one square and add it. That you can add it, and here and this space also you can take it and add it. Then you will get it the area of this figure. And next you can take it from here also. You can also make it a rectangle or square in this figure, and you can easily find out the area. And after remaining, that is, you can count it how many completed and more than completed square. Here also you can draw like this. Okay, and from here also you can count it. And next one, and add those areas, then you can find the area of that figure. Okay, the next one, how many squares in me? Look here, how many squares in me? Here this one is the figure. How many squares in me? Look here. Yes, this one is the shape of rectangle, isn't it? This one is the rectangle. In this rectangle, one figure already given the, what is the area of this shaded figure? What is the area of this shaded figure? This one is the shaded figure. From this figure, if you observe this figure, you can understand this one is the half of this rectangle. This area of figure or this shaded portion is half of the rectangle. You can see here, this in the first square, this one is the, these all squares are the 1 centimeter. You can take it as like that. Then look here, this one is the 1/4 of the square here. This 1/4 of the square here, and 3/4 already take it here also. This one is not completed square, and this one is the 3/4 and this one is the 1/4, isn't it? So that is one square. And here some maybe remove that we can take it as here. Okay, this shaded portion. And here some is blanket, that's take it from here. So this area of figure or this shaded portion is the half of this rectangle. This shaded figure is in the rectangle, isn't it? That is half of this rectangle. This shaded portion is the half of rectangle. So find out the area of this shaded portion. You want to find out the area of this rectangle. What is the area of this rectangle, children? Then you can find out. Yes, here this breadth is 2. That is 2. 1, 2. And this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 2, that is 8 square centimeter. That is the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle, that is 8 square centimeter. So half of this shaded portion means that is half of this rectangle, isn't it? So if the rectangle is 8 square centimeter, so what is the area of this shaded portion, children? Half of the rectangle means half of 8, isn't it? That half of 8 means that is 4 square centimeter. So area of this 8 divided 8 into half, that is 4 square centimeter. What is the area of this shaded portion? That is 4 square centimeter. Look here. Here telling one suggestion here. What is the area of this triangle? Yes, that is 1 minute, children. Look here. Is the shape half of the big rectangle? Yes. So its area dash square centimeter. Here telling this is the half of the rectangle. Half of the rectangle means how many squares here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. In this rectangle, 8 squares, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares in this figure. So half of that rectangle means half of 8. That is 4 square centimeter. And another one is, what is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle? That is also the half of this rectangle. Half of this rectangle means the triangle is half of the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. 2 square centimeter is the area of this rectangle. This rectangle 2 square centimeter. That means, look here. Then half of this. This one is the half of this shaded portion. Yes, look here. This one is the 2 square centimeter rectangle, and this triangle is the half of this rectangle. That is 2 square centimeter. Then half of that rectangle means that is 1 square centimeter. So the area of this triangle is 1 square centimeter, and this one is the half of this rectangle. Half of this rectangle. This one is the 8 square centimeter. So half of this shaded portion means half of 8. That is 4 square centimeter. Then another one. Look here, children. Yes. Next one. You have to find the area of this portion, children. Area of this portion. For finding the area of this portion, you can join this square, children. You can join the squares, join the lines, okay, and yes, okay. Before that, you can find the area of this figure. First, you can make a rectangle of this. Yes, rectangle of this means, yes, 1 minute. Look here. Yes, okay. Yes, find the area of this. Find this area. Yes. How many children? 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yes, what is the area of this portion, children? The area of this portion is 12 centimeter. 12 square centimeter means 1, 2, 3, 4. Length is 4 and 1, 2, 3 that is breadth. 4 into 3 that is 12 square centimeter. Here 12 square centimeter. And what is the area of this portion? This portion. This portion means this is the half of this rectangle. This is the half of this rectangle. You can see the here two portions like this and one is like this and one is like this. You want to find out the area of this portion, that is 12 square centimeter. And what is the area of this portion? And what is the area of this portion? If we join the square, yes, look here. Then you want to find out the area of this rectangle. Area of, that is 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, what is the area of this rectangle, children? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is that? 9, 3 into 3. Isn't it? That is 9 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 9 square centimeter. So this portion means half of this rectangle. Not this one is not a rectangle. This one is the square. Then half of this portion, isn't it? Half of this portion means, look here. This one is the half of this square. That means 9. This one is the 9's. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3. Side into side. 3 into 3. That is 9. So half of 9 means that is 4.5 square centimeter. And here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then this portion means that is half of that rectangle. Yes. Here also 1 square, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then half of this portion means, look here. Yes, this one is the half of the portion. Okay. So this one is the 4.5 square centimeter, and half of this square means this one also 3 into 3, 9 square centimeter, and half of that square means here 4.5. So this one is the 4.5 square centimeter. So area of this figure, that means area of this figure is, what is the area of this figure? The area of this figure is 12 square centimeter plus 4.5 square centimeter plus 4.5 square. That means 12 plus 4.5 plus 4.5, 9 square centimeter. That is 12 plus 9, 12 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. That is 21 square centimeter. Okay, children. So next one, this you can find out what is the area of these figures. Okay. Yes. Bye, children.